Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? Hope everybody is very fit and fine. All right? Okay. So dear students, I want to give you one information, or you can take it as a request also, that before few days uh, I am watching that most of the students are not taking very much interest in their studies. So this is my request to you, all the dear students, please take the interest in the studies and learn the things, read the chapter nicely. You can send me videos also. So I will appreciate you in a group, right? So if you will do the studies well, you will get the success. Okay, now today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 15, season. Chapter number 15, season. Before it starts the new chapter, I want to ask one question to you, is that which season is going on? Yes, winter season is going on, and winter season is the most beautiful and pleasant season of the year, because in this season we can use the woolen clothes. We love to wear woolen clothes. We all like the weather, है ना, and we can enjoy the delicious foods during the winter season. This season is especially for different kinds of parathas, the different kinds of sweet dishes, different kinds of laddus and all, right? So dear students, in this chapter we will discuss about two things. Number one, concept of weather and season. What is number one? The number one is concept of weather and season, and number two, the season of our country, right? So in these two things we are going to learn in the chapter. What are the two things that we are going to learn? The concept of number one, wait a minute, my mic's wire is making me the problem. Okay, so number one, concept of weather and season. And the second thing is the season of our country. The second thing is seasons of our country. How many seasons are there in the country? So before it starts the chapter, I will read the poem which is given in the book. It is on page number 87. On which page number? Page number 87. Okay, so read this beautiful poem about clouds. This poem is based on clouds. Okay, so shall we start? All are you ready? Everybody has EVS book in the hand? I am hoping that everybody is always ready to learn. That's why they have the EVS book and the pencil in their hands. All right, so shall we begin? Okay. So fair and white. What is the first line? What are the first words? Fair and white, grey and black. The cloud arrive in a magic pack. Once again I will read these two magical lines for you. Fair and white. Fair and white, grey and black. The clouds arrive in a magic pack. So what is the mean by these two lines? The mean of these two lines is that the color of the clouds are very fair. Fair means you can call it in Hindi gora. Fair and white. But when the rainy season is there, when rain will come, that time clouds change their color. So that time what will the color of the clouds? Grey. And when the black, sometimes it grey, sometimes it's black. है ना? When the clouds are filled with the water, when the clouds are filled with the water, that time the colors of the clouds are grey and black. Right? Okay. The clouds arrive in a magic pack. Children love to watch, love to see the magic, the jadoo. Right? So, these clouds always arrive in magic pack. वो एक जादू के पैकेट या जादू की पुड़िया की तरह आते हैं. Right? Okay. Now, the next line. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns, sometimes they look like a pair of swans. Wow! See? When you will see the picture carefully, then only you can understand the meaning of these two lines. See, I will show you in front of the camera. This picture of the clouds is looking like elephant, this wale picture, and this picture of the clouds is looking like horse, and this it is looking like dog. That's why it is written in the book that elephant and horses, dog and fan, sometimes they look like a pair of swans. है ना? So it means that the imagination of a poet, actually the imagination of a poet belongs to the clouds, related to the clouds. है ना? Sometimes the shape of the clouds is looking like elephants. The poet is saying that sometimes the shape of the clouds is exactly looking like the elephants. Sometimes it's looking like the horse, and sometimes it's looking like the dogs. And when the pair of clouds come together, so it's look like the pair of swan, है ना? Because the color of the swan is white. All right? Understand this much? Okay, move on. All right. So, in movements they go, sometimes they freeze. In movements they go, sometimes they freeze. Freeze means jamna. That's why in see dear students, everybody has the refrigerator, the fridge at the homes, है ना? And there are so many blocks, so many things so is given in the fridge, है ना. So one important part of the refrigerator is the freezer. Freezer means a place where we can freeze the ice cubes, है ना, जहाँ पर हम बर्फ जमाते हैं. That place is called freezer. So freeze means जमना. Freeze means जमना, right? And for weeks they stay. See, the clouds actually always keeps changing during the entire day. We have seen so many times that the clouds, that the shape of the clouds, the color of the clouds always keeps changing during the day. So the shape of the clouds, the color of the clouds, it's not same all the time. It's always keeps changing. But sometimes we can found that the weather, that the clouds are stay for few days, for few weeks, right? Move on. Okay. Sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors. What is written? Sometimes they thunder, thunder. Thunder. Thunder means जो बिजली का कड़कना होता है, that is called thunder. Okay, so sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. Especially during the rainy season, dear students, sometimes when rainwater, when rain and the sun will come together during the rainy season, then we can see, that time we can see there is a rainbow in the clouds, and that time, that scenario is very, very beautiful. It's looking like very beautiful because of rainbow only, है ना? And how many colors are there in rainbow? Yes, there are 7 colors always in a rainbow. There are 7 colors always in a rainbow. Right? So what are they? Indigo, violet, red, yellow, green, orange, white, blue. Right? Okay. So now here I am going to finish the poem. That is very beautiful poem about the clouds. So once again I will read the entire poem for you. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Elephants and horses, dogs and fans, sometimes they look like a pair of swans. In moments they go, sometimes they freeze, and for weeks they stay. Sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. So this nice beautiful poem is going to complete. Now we will start the chapter. Chapter number 15, seasons. Chapter number 15, season. Right? So first, as like earlier, first I will read whatever is written in the book, then step by step I explain to you. And I am hoping that every student of class 2, every child of class 2 has EVS book in the hand with pencil. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so here I am going to start. The condition of the air at a place is called the weather. Actually, the definition of weather is given over here in the book. What is given in the book? The definition of weather, right? So the condition of air at a place is called weather. So make this line underline. This line is very important because we all are learning about the season. So this line is very important. So make it underline. आप इसको underline करिए. The condition of air at a place is called weather. So the condition of air at a place is called weather. So can you understand the definition of weather through this line? Because you all are very small students, you all have 7 years students. So can you understand what is weather? Can you understand what is weather? Can you understand what is air? Okay, I will tell you. See beta, around our earth, है ना? We all are living on the earth. Are you agree with me? Are you agree with me? Okay, ठीक है. And the around our earth. Suppose this is the picture of the earth. Suppose this is the picture of the earth, right? And around the earth there are so many gases. There are so many gases. There is a one big circle of the different kinds of gases around the earth, and that circle is called atmosphere. That circle is called atmosphere, and that atmosphere is directly connected with the weather. It is directly connected with the weather. Why I am telling you this? Why I am telling you this? See beta, I will give you a small example so you can understand in a better manner. Okay, see, this video I am making on 5th of January. 5 जनवरी को मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ, right? And I can see the weather of the outside by my window. There is a clouds. There are clouds, and clouds cover the sun. Clouds cover the sun. That's why the rays of sun cannot come directly to the earth. That's why the rays of the sun, जो सूरज की किरणें हैं, they cannot come directly to the earth. Why? Because clouds are there, and clouds cover the sun. Clouds cover the sun, and the sun is behind the clouds, right? And sometimes it's happen during daytime, weather will change so many times. keep these things is in your mind बेटा. Weather will not remain the same all the time. जो मौसम होता है वो हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं होता है. Weather is always keeps changing. It will not same all the time. Okay, I will give you a small example so you can understand in a better manner. See dear students, sometimes it's happen when in the morning, है ना? In morning time, sometimes we can see there is a cloud, है ना? Sun is behind the clouds and clouds cover the sun, है ना? But this condition, so we can say that the cloudy day is there. What kind of day is there? The cloudy day. But this situation, this condition will not remain the same all the time. It will not remain the same all the time. है ना? Sometimes clouds will remove and we can see the sun. And sometimes clouds cover the sun, so sun will hide behind the clouds. So this condition will not remain the same all the time. It always keeps changing. है ना? ऐसा होता है ना, बादलों के साथ जो सूरज होता है उसकी लुका छिपी, उसका खेल, उसकी नौटंकी चलती रहती है. उसकी जो खेल है वो चलता रहता है, उसकी जो लुका छिपी है वो चलती रहती है. कभी जो सूरज होता है वो बादलों के पीछे होता है तो गर्मी कम लगती है. कभी बादल हट जाते हैं और सूरज सामने आ जाता है तो वेदर जो है, मौसम जो है वो क्लीन हो जाता है, साफ हो जाता है. ठीक है? So first thing always keep is in your mind that weather will not remain the same all time. What thing you will keep is in your mind? That weather will not remain the same all the time. मौसम हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं होता है. We also have seen so many times. Sometimes we can see that the nice pleasant weather is there. There is no clouds. Sun is shining very brightly, है ना? In the morning. But जैसे जैसे दिन होती जाती है, we can see there is a clouds, है ना? There is a fog. There is a small rainwater. So we can say that the weather is not remain the same all the time, especially in the winter season. Sometimes we found that yes, today is very cold, so we will wear the two sweaters and the topas and the gloves also. And sometimes though even we are not needed to take the blanket at night. And sometimes it's happened during the winter season when the coldy day is there. Then we will take the one blanket, then two blankets. It is happening na during winter season. कभी कभी होता है ना winter season में, किसी दिन तो बहुत तेज ठंड होती है और किसी दिन बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं होती है. So that's why we can say weather always not remain the same for all the time, or we can say for long time. It's always change. And the condition of air. अब आपके दिमाग में this question starts coming is in your mind that why air word is used over here? Why this air word is used over here? The word air is used over here because weather always change due to air only. Weather always change due to air only. जो हवा होती है ना बेटा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ हवा की गति के कारण, हवा के फोर्स के कारण, हवा की स्पीड के कारण ही वेदर हमेशा चेंज होता है. Weather always change because of air only. Keep this thing is in your mind that weather always change due to or because air only. Because of air only. This statement I am giving you, so I will rectify with this statement. I will prove you that this statement is completely right. It is not written in the book. It is not written in the book. But I am pretty much sure I will make you understand that this statement is completely right. Weather always change due to air only. I will give you a small example so you can understand nicely. Right, see, during winter season, why I am taking the example of winter season, dear students, because this is during winter time, and during winter season weather always keeps changing and the condition of air is always keeps changing, है ना. Sometimes we can see that the air is blowing very gently, very pleasantly, so we will not feel very cold. And sometimes it is happening that from the morning the cold breeze are blowing. Then what will happen? We all are feeling very coldy, and we need to wear the sweaters and the warm clothes because we want to protect ourselves from winter. So because of the condition of air, हवा में जो चेंज होता है, हवा की जो स्पीड में चेंज होता है, because of air condition the weather always change, है ना. Sometimes you have seen that when we will talk about the rainy season na beta, so what will happen? In the morning there is a nice bright sun during the rainy season. Then what will happen? After 3 or 4 hours we can see that clouds starts coming. The grey and black clouds are coming. Then what will happen? अचानक से the cold breeze starts blowing. ठंडी हवाएं चलना शुरू हो जाती हैं. Then suddenly the rainfall starts coming. So why this change is happened? This change is happened because of air only, because of the movement of air only. Okay, I will give you one more example. See, today is the 5th of January, right? And the weather of today is not very much cold. I am making this video on 5th of January and the weather of today is not very much cold. Even I am not feeling very cold. मुझे बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं लग रही है. Why? Because outside there is so much cloud. And because of clouds there is no cold breeze blowing, है ना. बादल हो रहे हैं और बादलों की वजह से जो टेम्परेचर है वो डाउन हो गया है, जो टेम्परेचर है वो कम हो गया है, और बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर आई एम नॉट फीलिंग कोल्ड, एंड टुडे इज द क्लाउडी डे, clouds covered the sun, so I am not feeling cold. Cold breeze are not there in the weather, in the atmosphere. And sometimes it's happen when the cold breeze starts blowing. कभी कभी अचानक से ठंडी हवाएं तेज शुरू हो जाती हैं, और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हवाएं चलती ही नहीं हैं. So we can see that every change in the weather, it's completely related with the condition of air. Whatever changes we will found in the weather, we can see all the changes is happening because of air only. हवा का जो air means हवा का जो प्रेशर होता है, हवा का जो दबाव होता है, उस प्रेशर की वजह से वेदर में ऑलवेज चेंज होते हैं. राइट, सो द कंडीशन ऑफ एयर एट अ प्लेस इज कॉल्ड वेदर. द वेदर में चेंज from time to time, during some times, or over a few days. When the weather remains same for over a long time, we call this a period of season. Today we will not discuss about the season, we will discuss about the weather only. Why? Because weather is always changing. Seasons to come for a long time, है ना. Summer season will come for 4 months. Rainy season will come for 4 months, winter season will come for 4 months. But here first we will make understand what is weather, what is air, and what is atmosphere. So we will understand about these 3 things. So today we will not discuss about the season. Okay, so once again I will tell you that in chapter number 15 season we will learn 2 major concept of weather and season, and how many seasons are there in our country, right? So in these 2 things, first we will make understand what is weather. Weather is always keeps changing, weather is not remain same for a long time, है ना. सुबह तो बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं थी, जैसे जैसे दिन हुआ बहुत तेज ठंड होने लग गई, और शाम होते होते तक तो और भी तेज ठंड हो गई. तो ऐसा क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि वेदर चेंज हो गया. वेदर विल चेंज ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम फॉर so many times because of condition of air only, and weather always change because of air only. हवा और हवा ही सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो कारण है जिसकी वजह से वेदर चेंज होते हैं, राइट. और जब वेदर जो होता है वो बहुत लंबे समय तक एक जैसा रहता है तो वी कैन कॉल इट सीजन. व्हेन द वेदर इज रिमेन सेम for a long time, we can say for few weeks, we can say for few months, then we can announce, yes, now this season is started, this season is started, this season is started, right? So today we will understand only this much thing, what is weather, right? So my time is going to finish. I am going to wind up my lecture. Today we will discuss this much only. When we will meet in the next lecture, then I will make you understand about the seasons. What is season? Right? So for next period, I am winding up my lecture. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Make yourself fit and fine. Keep studies, keep reading, keep writing, keep completing your notebooks on time, because soon your annual exam will announce. So, bye bye from my side.